Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the outer worlds to remove fog of wars easily using mod. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and here are the results using image. This is normal game and this is modern game. As you can see, the size of the image has been reduced. Has big images and this has reduced images. And now this is normal image and this is modded image. As you can see, everything is visible starting of the game. And just close stuff here and go to files. Scroll down. There are three mods available. And mod tweaks removes the fog of war from the map, so the entire map is visible immediately. You can see all areas clearly without needing to explore faster. Select the manual download option, depends on the mod you need. I'm going with the no fog mod. Select the slow download option and you just need to log into the site guys. Select the login option. If you doesn't have an account, then you just need to select the register option and create a new account. Now after logging in, go back to the site and just reload the site and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download's done, you just need to right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR and then open the folder, and these are the mod files. You just need to navigate to the game folder guys. So if you doesn't know where the game is located, then check my video description for this file path. Just navigate to this path. In our case, if you doesn't have installed any mods before, then you just need to copy this mods folder name, and then in our case it will be not created, so just right click on the blank area in packs folder and select new and select folder and just paste the text we copied and press enter. Double click on the mods folder and just drag and drop the three files inside the mods folder and then just glue stuff here and the mod will be activated guys. Now you can open the game and enjoy it guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.